Hello students, this is block 4, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number and multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. So to understand the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number, let's take this example. Here I have a fraction adding for 7 times. So you see this fraction 1 by 4 is been added for 7 times. This is for the first one. The next 1 by 4 is here. The next. So when we add all this 1 by 4 for 7 times, we can write these additions in the form of multiplication, since we know that repeated addition is just a multiplication. So 1 by 4 adding for 7 times can be written as 7 times of 1 by 4. So 7 into 1 by 4 will be same as 7 by 4. By counting that fraction also, we know that there are 7 parts to be added. So the multiplication of 7 into 1 by 4, that is 7 times of 1 by 4, will be 7 by 4. So what we know from here is if we multiplied a fraction by a whole number, then we just multiplied the multiplier, in this case is 7, with numerator, and then we can get the answer. So 7 times 1 by 4 is 7 by 4. Like that, let's take some other examples. So 5 times of 2 by 3 will be same as 10 by 3, because 5 and the 2 will multiply, which will give 10. So 5 times of 2 by 3 is 10 by 3. And 3 times of 3 by 5 also will be same as 9 by 5, because 3 times of 3 is 9. Then 3 times of 3 by 5 will be 9 by 5. So this is how we multiplied a fraction by a whole number. But if we are going to multiply the fraction by another fraction, then it will be little different than multiplying by a whole number. So let's see how do we multiply a fraction by another fraction. So here I have a fraction which is half of a circle. So this half of a circle is taken again another half, then we get 1/4 of the circle. So if we represent this one in the form of fraction multiplication, then we can write this one as half of half, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So multiplying 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be same as multiplied 1 times of the 1, the 2 numerators will multiply, and then the 2 denominators will multiply. So 1 times of 1 is 1, and 2 times of 2 is 4. So half of the half is 1 by 4. Similarly, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 will be 1 by 9, because 1 times of 1 is 1, and the 3 times of 3 is 9. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 will be same as 2 by 9, because 2 times of 1 is 2, and 3 times of 3 is 9. And 3 by 5 times of 2 by 7, or 3 by 5 into 2 by 7 will be same as 6 by 35, because 3 times of 2 is 6, and the 5 times of 7 is 35. So you can see the difference between these two multiplication. In case of multiplying by a whole number, we just multiply the numerator by the whole number. But if we are going to multiply the fraction with another fraction, then the respective numerators are multiplied and the respective denominators are also multiplied.